It's a great way to start the morning by doing a little relaxing fishing before I get started on my day. And I do have a pretty big day planned today. I'm going to be terraforming the area out by the horses. Let's go look. So this area out here is what I'm talking about. All of this area in here where our horses are, I want to give these guys a nice pretty place to live. So I'm going to be terraforming this entire area out here, and it is not a small project, so I need to get going because I'm already burning daylight. So here we go. Okie dokie, I am back and I have completed the terraforming out by the horses. Let me show you the before picture so we can remember what it looked like. There we go. And now for the after. What do y'all think about this transformation? Huh? Pretty cool. Let's take a walk down there and see what it looks like up close, shall we? Let's go. I think it turned out really well. Thanks to the mossy blocks that we bought from that last wandering trader. The area looks a lot different than I thought it was going to turn out to be. So now we have all this wonderful green moss everywhere. Everything just kind of flows together. we've kind of created our own little biome here. And then we have the nether stuff kind of just filtered in a little bit here. And we still have guava guppy enjoying their life in the pool. And the green biome turning into the red biome a little bit. And then everything kind of just meshing together into all this moss and wonderful azalea trees that we have now because of the moss. And this is that little area over there, completely transformed into a nice little jungle type oasis. The horses absolutely love it. They told me they did. They said that. They really like it here now. We have our little waterfalls. And I did make some mud to go over here. We do have... I need to finish this in here. Like, I want to make all of this mud, I think, and dirt at the bottom of this little pond right here. But yeah, we have mud, and we have a couple of waterfalls, and we have roots. Because remember, I bought that rooted dirt from that Wandering Trader. And we were able to get the little hanging roots from it. And then we have our mixture of the jungle trees, the azalea trees, and the acacia trees, because the same Wandering Trader that sold us the moss also had acacia, so I want one of those too. So we do have acacia trees. And this just goes kind of all the way around over here. I did a lot of bone milling, y'all. Doesn't look like the way to the portal anymore, does it? There's our wonderful little portal. I kind of just stopped it right here in this area. But yeah, this is the rest of the desolate landscape back here. All the nice gray nothingness. And here we have beautiful, lush, green civilization. Wonderful. I think it turned out really well. There's a little waterfall. You can kind of just take little nature hikes down in here. But yeah, I made this all come out this direction, and then this mossy, I have some acacia trees mixed in over here as well. And this little mossy area just kind of keeps going on over here to the end of our little island peninsula thing. So yeah, and it kind of meets up with our dirt over here. So everything kind of meshes in together. It looks so different than all the gray. Yeah, llamas like it too. Hi guys. And I did figure out, because when the llamas grow up, they all look the same. So the ones that I've tamed, I've been putting the carpets on them. Like, we have infinite green and red dye now because we have the cactus to make the green dye. And then of course we have beetroot to make red dye. So I have infinite red and green dye. So I've just been using that to put the little carpets on them. That way I know those are the ones that have been tamed. So when I breed them and get the babies in here and the babies grow up, then I know I need to tame the ones that don't have the carpet on them. So that's the easy way to tell. And these two are going to remain original. I'm not going to do anything with those two guys. I still need to name them. I have plenty of name tags now. But yeah, so this is our little area. I think it turned out really, really well. So what do y'all think about this? A lot different. A lot better. A quaint little area. I think it's perfect. So now that I have that done, Now I need to focus my attention on the mob farm, because now we need to get our villagers and we need to get our jockeys and we need to get that going. So I'm going to be camping out at the mob farm for an indefinite amount of time. I have no idea how long it's going to take me to stay up there to get the villagers and the chickens, but I'm going to try my best. And I'm just going to hang out up there until they decide to spawn in for us. So that is my next thing on the agenda. So now that I have this all done up and it looks so much better, it looks so cool over here. I don't want to leave this area now, but I'm going to have to, so I can go up to the mob farm. So I will now adjourn up to the mob farm, and I will bring you guys back when I either get a chicken jockey up in there or a zombie villager, so you can watch the shenanigans unfold for that. I'm sure it's going to be fun. See you guys in a little while. Oh my gosh, y'all, we have a chicken jockey. We have a chicken jockey. Okay, let me, I need to be careful. I need to be careful. I need to go in here. Clucky McCluck face. Okay. So I think if I name tag this guy, I hope that was the chicken and not the zombie. So now I should be able to come in here. Oh, wait. Let me get a lead. Okay, so this block and this block. Okay, so, oh gosh, there's things in here. There's things in here. Oh, they keep dropping. I should be able to, where's he at? Oh gosh, can I hit? Okay. I got him. Okay. So now I can break that block. And he should be, okay. He's coming out. Okay. Oh my gosh, look at it. I got him. Oh, he's hitting me. I need to be able to put this block back up there. Oh. There. Okay, so like that. And then... where did I end up blocking? Okay, I got the chicken jockey, y'all. I got him out. Now he just needs to get in this boat. I wonder if I just take the lead off. I'm gonna do that. Maybe he'll get in the boat. I don't know. Okay, let me get rid of all this. Well, there's a lot of riffraff in there. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I did that. I got him out of there. Okay, he's in the boat! Oh, he's in the boat. Okay. No panicking. What do I do? So, hi guy. Yeah, you're in the boat. I don't know if I've named the chicken or the zombie. I can't tell. So I think now I can get this wall out. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. And theoretically, this little zombie should burn in the daylight. Oh. By getting that boat, he's gonna be killing me. Here we go. Let's do this. Daylight should kill this guy. He should burn. Oh, he won't because he's in the shadow, though. Okay, I'm tearing this entire thing apart. The only problem is I don't know if I've name tagged the chicken or if I name tagged the jockey, dude. I can't tell. So, okay. Let me eat. Oh. Let me eat. Got the boat. Will this come with me? If I don't want to get in the boat with it because it'll kill me. But I think if I... Did he come? Is the boat out here? No. He didn't come. Okay, so I'm gonna have to go back up there. Oh, there's my lead way up there. I thought maybe if I leapied out with the lead, with the boat on the lead, the boat would just come, but no, it wouldn't. Okay. It kind of came with me a little bit, I think. It just broke the thing. Okay. Y'all. I need to get rid of all this before something bad happens in here. That was a lot. Wow. Okay. Yeah, the boat came a little bit. Bullet. I can't shove the boat. I can't shove it. He's gonna hit. Okay, maybe I'll survive. Let me eat. My guy. I really wish. I don't think it was the chicken that I name tagged. I think it was that dude. Which means he'll never despawn, right? Well, I did something. Alright, I'm gonna get... Here we go. I know he's gonna hit me. That's fine. Ah! He's burning. Ha ha ha. Bye, guy. Keep burning. Okay. Yep, I did name him. Okay. But now he's Igor. Okay, I'll have to make another name tag. That's fine. I'm glad I checked that. So now, I have a chicken! I have a chicken! I have a chicken! Will you come out? Hi! Come on to your new home, Igor. Come on, guy. Oh, wonderful. I took your pin down. I need to put your pin back up. You coming? And you shouldn't despawn because I name tagged you. You should be good, right? You're good. Hi! We have a chicken! Oh my god, we have a chicken! I need to put your pin back. I removed it when I was terraforming over here, and I didn't put it back yet. Let's see, do you want to be over there on the other side of the horses, or do you want to be on this side? I think you want to be... I need to get stuff to put a pin. Is there a... Well... Yeah, I'll put your pin back over here where it was. Hi! Hi, Igor! Okay, so... I need to go get my wall. I'm just gonna bring you on the leash with me. You're fine with that, right? Oh! Don't hurt yourself on the plants. Yay! Oh, sun's going down. The sun is always going down. It only stays daylight for like 3 minutes. There's no wood and there's no... Oh, I have... Where did I put my wall? There's some. In my gate. There it is. Okay. We'll go make you a small pen. Yay! Gate. I need to hurry because it's getting dark. Oh, no. Get in. Shoo shoo. And you have a home. Yay! Put some lights up. Enjoy your home, Igor. Let's go sleep. Well, yay! One down. I don't know how many more to go. At least 3. 2 villagers and 1 more chicken. Ow! Why are you hitting me? Sleep. I took a lot of screenshots of our new terraforming. I still think that's lovely. It's so pretty. Alrighty. Well, that was fun. Oh, there's Mr. Skeleton. You're the one that was hitting me. Burn. Okay. Well, 1 chicken down. Let's go back up to the mob farm and wait for another one. And we got chicken jockey number 2. Oh, look at him, look at him, look at him. Let me go in here. There's things gonna be dropping again. So we'll do this the same way we did the other one. Oh, there's creepers in there. Okay, let me see if I can get these guys out. Okay. I've made another Clucky McCluck face. Hopefully it got on the right thing. Oh, creepers. I want to get the creepers out. No, 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 don't hit the chicken. No, no, no. Uh-oh. Hang on, hang on, hang on. Oh, oh. Let me see if I can get this guy on the lead. Chicken? I can't get him. Chicken? 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 I got him, I got him, I got him, I got him. Okay. So now I can break this block. Okay, yes, he's in here. Okay. Now I need to put this block back. Okay. Yes, 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 yes. Get in here. Uh-oh. I need to stay in there. Stay in there. Get... Dude. You need to get back in there. Trying to shove you in here. Shove, shove. Go in. Come on in here. Come in here. Come on. There we go. Now I need to put these blocks back right here. Get you off the lead. Get in the boat. I do believe I got the name tag on the chicken this time because I don't see his name. Okay. So, we'll let them get in the boat. Clear out all this riffraff. Ah, we got number 2! I'm so excited. Okay, it's nighttime, so I shouldn't have too much spawnage right now. It's raining too, so... He's in the boat! Yes! Okay, let's get him out. We'll do it the same way we did the other one. Oh, hang on, let me empty my inventory out real quick. I was in the process of cleaning this out. Got our bones in here. You see, I got quite a bit of stuff going on in here. That, and some of that, and... Okay. I need my lead. And I need to put this bow in there. I'm getting quite a few things in here. Hi, guys. Creepers. Okay. Let's get this guy downstairs. He's not going to despawn right now because it's nighttime. Nice. Hey, you know what? Let me sleep. I can't rest because there's monsters nearby. Okay. That's how we're going to play that game. Oh. Well. Yeah, thank you for hitting me. Look at our little area. Isn't it beautiful? Wow. Hey, what's happening to the llamas? What the heck? What is happening to them? What? I need to go check that out. What is going on over here? Why are they dying? Oh, they're spitting at each other. Why are they doing that? Oh, no. Don't kill each other. No. Why are y'all doing that? Y'all are supposed to be friends. Oh, no. They're killing each other. Oh, crap. What am I supposed to do about that? Let me go sleep. What the heck? Llamas. Okay. Do we have any survivors? What the heck was all that about? I lost 4 llamas. What the heck, y'all? Okay, well, here. Nope, wrong llama. I don't want to accidentally shoot you. Give me your hay bales. Excuse me. Now let's go breed, y'all. What the heck, y'all? Y'all supposed to be friendly. Oh, I thought I put that in there. Okay. Where's all the babies? There's... okay. They're over here in a... Where's all the babies? There's only one baby. I just... Okay, what is going on with my llamas? I literally just bred like all of y'all. Make it the baby. Okay. Why didn't y'all do that a minute ago? I'm confused. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so I should have... Oh, sorry. 1, 2... 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I should have 3 babies. 1, 2, 3. 3 okay, I got them all. Why didn't y'all do that the first time? Okay, now I need to go get my chicken. There's that spider. I hope everything's still okay up here. I name tagged the chicken, so he should still be there. Oh, I hear him. He's still up here. Okie dokie. Yes, 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 I know. Burn. Ow! I'm stuck in the boat. Eh. Okay. He hopped off the chicken and is in the boat. But he's still burning. Hi, chicken. You should be Clucky McCluckface. Aren't you? No, you don't have a name tag. Oh my god, okay. Let's go to the enchantment room. What happened to your name tag? Please don't despawn. Yeah, please don't. Okay, you got quiet. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Stop getting quiet, you're freaking me out. Come on, guy. Come on up to the enchantment room. I'll make you another name tag. Oh, what happened to the other name tag? It wasn't on either one of them. Come here. Lucky McCluckface. Boop. Yes, 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 yes. Now you can come with your friend Igor. Come on. Come on, let's go meet your friend. There's Igor. Hi, Igor. Who's your friend? Clucky McCluckface. I'm not supposed to be able to breed y'all, but that's what I've read. They don't lay eggs and you can't breed them. So let's go see if that's true. I have some seeds over here. Let's see if we can breed chicken jockeys. Hi, guys. Huh? Oh! You can breed them! Really? So does that mean that you're gonna lay eggs though when you grow up, right? Or do I need to name tag this one too, or is it gonna despawn? Oh. Oh no, I can do this! I thought that you could not breed them. I know they don't lay eggs, but now this one would, right? This one will lay eggs. Oh. Hi! Hi, big guy. Hi! Are you gonna lay eggs for me? We shall find out. Oh, yes, we will. Hi. Well, sun's going down. Okay. Let's go sleep, and I'll see if I can get some more... Ooh, I can get some more seeds over here, too. I'll harvest my wheat in the morning. And we can see if we can speed up the process of him growing up. I don't think I have any more seeds in here. I'll have beetroot seeds. Huh. When I was spreading the moss, it came over here. Messed up my pumpkins. That's okay. I'll fix it. Well, that got us some seeds for sure. Okay, let's go out here to the little guy. Hello there. Can y'all breed again? Nope. Nope. Okay, here, have some seeds. How many is it gonna take? All of them. Wow. Perpetual baby. He's not. Oh. Ow! Let's see if you lay eggs. I'll give you the rest of these. Maybe speed you up a little bit. Okay. So the two that are not named. Okay, let's see if you lay an egg. Will you lay an egg? If you lay an egg, I'm going to be extremely excited and happy. I'm afraid he's going to despawn. Okay. I'm going to go make another name tag. Because I'm afraid he's going to despawn. I think he would have laid an egg already. Maybe. I'll do 2 name tags because we have 2 chickens. We'll name him Robert. We'll name this one Sue. Robert and Sue. Just plain old names. Okay. Hey, Sue grew up. Hi, Sue. I wonder if I bred them together. It probably won't make any difference, but I'm gonna do it anyway. I'll grab a couple of beetroot seeds. Now, okay. So now we have the product of Robert and Sue. So we'll see if this one. Okay. I need to get some more fish. Luckily, I know where there's some fish that I've been catching. Eggs! 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 Oh my gosh! Yes! Oh my gosh, look, we have eggs. Oh, this is wonderful. So y'all do lay eggs. Oh. I'm happy. We have eggs. I'm gonna keep them. I'm not gonna throw them. I'm just gonna put them over here so I don't accidentally throw them. Let me go get some more seeds so I can breed y'all again. Oh my gosh, we have regular chickens too. Oh my gosh. I'm excited. I'm so happy. I'll bring all these seeds out there. I'm happy, I'm happy, I'm happy. Robert and Sue. Okay, Robert and Sue. Now we have Igor and Clucky McCluckface. Oh, this is wonderful. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. Hi. Now we can have pumpkin pie. I'm gonna put these eggs in here. Wow, there's another egg in there. Well, y'all, I actually think that this is going to be a good place to stop this episode. We will do the zombies in the next episode, I think. But for now, I think we've covered enough. With this one, we have chickens. And we have a beautiful new backdrop. Oh my gosh, look at all that. It's beautiful. I love the way it turned out. Absolutely love it. And we have all of these wonderful little chickens that are laying eggs for us. And with that, I will see y'all next time. Bye, guys.